Today is September 8, 1939, the 8th day of World War II. As the German Blitzkrieg continued its relentless assault on Poland, the war reached a new level of intensity. On this day, the German army closed in on the capital, Warsaw, signaling a pivotal moment in the conflict. The courage and determination of Polish defenders stood in stark contrast to the mounting devastation and global inaction. German forces advanced rapidly, capturing territory and overwhelming isolated Polish units. By September 8th, the Wehrmacht reached the outskirts of Warsaw, Poland's capital. The sight of enemy troops approaching sent shockwaves through the city. While panic spread among civilians, the Polish military began organizing defenses to protect the heart of their nation. The defense of Warsaw quickly became a symbol of Polish resistance. Soldiers, police, and civilian volunteers worked tirelessly to fortify the city, preparing for what many believed would be a brutal siege. Despite limited resources and the chaos of war, the resolve of Warsaw's defenders did not waver. The Luftwaffe played a critical role in the assault, bombing bridges, roads, and military installations in and around Warsaw. These airstrikes caused significant damage and civilian casualties, adding to the sense of urgency among Polish defenders. Thousands of residents fled eastward, while those who remained braced for the impending battle. In Western Europe, Britain and France faced growing criticism for their inaction. Although they had declared war on Germany days earlier, their lack of immediate military intervention left Poland to face the German onslaught alone. The Polish government's calls for aid went unanswered, deepening the sense of betrayal among its people. September 8, 1939, was a day of critical developments in the early stages of World War II. The approach of German forces toward Warsaw marked a turning point in the invasion of Poland. As the war entered its second week, the bravery of Poland's defenders and the resilience of its people became a powerful testament to the human spirit in the face of overwhelming odds. Thank you for watching. Please support us using our website link in the description. It is your support that finances this show. See you tomorrow with the next episode.